Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. So today we're doing a client makeup tutorial. I did her brows off camera, so that's why I'm not showing how I'm doing her brows, just because my camera had died and I had to wait for it to charge up in the meantime. So I said, let's just do your brows and hop on the camera when we get to your eyeshadow. So for her transition shade, I'm going in with a reddish brown eyeshadow. And I took a picture of all the products that I used during this session, so they'll be in the description box below. I am bringing the shade up pretty high just because we will be doing a cut crease, and I love the way cut creases look when eyeshadow is surrounding the whole cut crease. Now I'm going in with a dark brown right underneath that brown transition shade. To cut her crease, I'm using a Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'll put the shade in the description box below. Now I'm taking a light nude shade and I'm just putting that in the inner corner of her eye for her first shade for her cut crease. Now I'm going in with this blue pigment because I am adding a pop of color, and y'all, this blue is so pretty. I love it so much. For liner, I'm just doing a small basic liner. I'm not doing a wing or anything too dramatic. These liner applicators are my favorite. I'm going to start an Amazon store so you all can shop my favorite products from Amazon. So I went ahead and added glitter just to match the eyeshadow colors that I use for the cut crease. I haven't used colored liner in a while, but I did today. So I went in with the white liner, and then I also made a colored liner out of the turquoise that I used on her eye, and I'm going to use that as a colored liner as well. So to get all the eyeshadow fallout and the glitter off her face, I'm just going in with a makeup wipe and I'm wiping her face down. So I always prep my client's skin before I do any foundation or anything, so I'm just prepping her skin right here. Prepping the skin before foundation really helps the way the foundation goes on, and it also helps the flawlessness of the look. The makeup just sits so wonderfully on the skin when you correctly skin prep. So right here, I'm going to be doing my highlight and contour routine. So I'm just highlighting underneath the eye, on the forehead, the chin, and also on the nose. To blend out her highlight, I'm using a Real Technique setting brush. For contour, I'm actually using the Juvia's Place Bronzing Duo. I believe that's what it's called. But y'all, those duos are amazing. I absolutely love them. I don't cream contour or liquid contour anymore. I only use powder. To set her face, I'm just using setting powder and I'm pressing that into the skin using the same brush that I used to highlight her face. So now I'm just pressing the excess powder into the skin. Off camera, I did actually buff out her setting powder underneath her contour a little bit more because it was looking a bit too harsh for me. We are doing my favorite lip combo. It's the dark liner with the light nude in the middle and then a gloss on top. Now I'm going in with blush. I always love using blush for my looks. I feel like it just brings the whole look together. And then I'm going in with a black gel liner for her waterline. And I'm also going to be applying some mascara. And that is it for the look, y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And that is it. That is all. And we are out.